Hi guys, we are going to look at perfect square trinomials. I'm going to do this quickly and show you 3 different examples, and I'm going to show you the quick trick version so you can just take a few notes here and you'll be good. So we're going to take the square root of the first term, so 49x squared is 7x. Take the square root of the last term, square root of 25 is 5. It gets a plus sign because the number in the middle has a plus sign. Then we just throw on our little square and we're done. The next one, we are going to take square root of the first term, square root of the last term, so we get 1 and a 7, and we're using the sign of the middle term, which in this case is a negative. So we're going to have x minus 7 squared. So in the first one, the middle got a plus sign. Second one, it got a minus sign. This one, we have to take the GCF first. So this one didn't have a GCF. First one did not have a GCF. GCF is a greatest common factor. So the GCF here is a 4. A 4 goes into all 3 numbers evenly. So we're going to pull it out. We're going to divide each one of those by 4. So we're going to factor out 4 first and then solve it as we did the others. All right, here we go. Divide each thing by 4. We're going to pull the 4 out. And if I take a 4, divide the first term by 4, I'm left with just an x squared. The second one, if I divide it by 4, I'm left with a negative 4. Negative 16 divided by 4 is negative 4x. And the last one, 16 divided by 4 is 4. So now I have a new trinomial with the 4 factored out. I can check it by distributing. If I redistribute that 4 to each of those terms inside the parentheses, I will see that it gives me what I had originally. So I know I did that right. Good job, self. Now, we are going to take the square root of the first term, and the last term, don't forget your 4, I always forget it. So bring down your 4. Take the square root of the first and last and use the sign of the middle term. Final answer, 4x minus 2 squared.